Alright, so here's more of the adult nightlife here. Bars and, well, a lot of other things that you're about to see. It is already crazy. It's not even late at night. Check this out. Look at all these vendors driving these cars. Lots of tattoo parlors, music, and well, girls. Lots of girls. Shit. Wow. Just a line of them. And it goes all the way down to the end. It's kind of like dealer choice. And you kind of choose what type of woman that you want. And a lot of these, they're also like, not women, they're like lady boys. That's a big thing in Thailand. Man, there's a lot of them. Shit. Look at this. Right, so this is the red light district here in Pattaya. There's a lot. It's fucking crazy. It's nuts. There's a lot to see and do. So if that's kind of the vibe that you like, you can come here, check it out. It's right near Pattaya Beach. And yeah, it was a pretty wild experience.